Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share with you the beauty and diversity of Oromia's cultures and traditions in the Empire of Ethiopia, now renamed the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. Today, we are going to talk about Irreecha, the grand Thanksgiving festival of the Oromo people, who are the largest ethnic group in Ethiopia. Irreecha is celebrated every year at the end of the rainy season, usually in October, to mark the beginning of spring and a new season of abundance and peace. It is a time to thank Waka, the Oromo word for Almighty God, for the blessings and mercies they have received throughout the year. Irreecha is not only an ancient religious festival, but also a cultural and national one. It brings together millions of Oromos from all over Oromia, the region where they live, and other parts of Ethiopia and the world. It is a symbol of Oromo identity and unity, as well as a manifestation of their resilience and resistance against oppression and marginalization. Irreecha is also a platform for expressing their political views and aspirations for freedom, justice, and democracy. The main venue for Irreecha is Hora Arsadi, a sacred lake in the town of Bishoftu, about 50 kilometers south of Finfine or Addis Ababa in its alien name, the capital city of Ethiopia. Here, millions of people gather on the shores of the lake to perform rituals led by elders and spiritual leaders. They wear colorful indigenous cultural clothes and carry fresh green grass and flowers as symbols of gratitude and renewal. They immerse themselves in the water or sprinkle it on themselves and others as a way of cleansing and blessing. They also sing traditional songs, chant slogans, and dance to the rhythm of drums. Another venue for Irreecha is Hora Finfine, another sacred lake in Finfine known as Addis Ababa, the capital city of the state of Oromia, the seat of both the federal government of Ethiopia and the African Union. This venue was introduced in 2019, after more than 150 years of absence due to colonial occupation and repression. The celebration in Hora Finfine was seen as a historic moment for the Oromo people, as it marked their reclaiming of their cultural space and heritage in their own capital city. The celebration in Hora Finfine also attracted more people from different ethnic groups and religions, who joined their Oromo brothers and sisters in celebrating their common humanity and diversity. Irreecha is not only celebrated in Ethiopia, but also around the world where diaspora Oromos live, especially in North America, Europe and Australia. These celebrations are also ways of preserving and promoting their culture and identity abroad, as well as raising awareness about the situation of their people back home. Irreecha is more than just a celebration of Oromo culture. It is a celebration of life, nature, harmony, and hope. It is a celebration of the past, present, and future of the Oromo people and their struggle for dignity and self-determination. It is a celebration that invites all people to join in solidarity and friendship. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Irreecha. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about Irreecha and if you have ever participated or witnessed it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.